Hello everyone, welcome back to Direct 4x4. We're going to be showing you the fitting of the Nissan Juke sidebars today. So if you follow me under the vehicle, you'll see how they're fitted. So the fitting on these is really easy. On the inside of the chassis here, you've got a bolt into the chassis itself, just there. You'll get a tailed captive nut to go in the hole, so you can just bolt it straight up. And then in the sills here, you've got two little bolts into the sill itself. There will be two bolts in there already that you'll need to remove, and then you use the one supplied in the kit to get access to to bolt the brackets on. It's the same for front and rear, so there's the front bracket there. So you can see a bolt into the chassis. Again, we've used a captive nut, like a threaded plate with a tail to hold it into the hole, and then bolted it on. And then the two brackets, or the two bolts on the front of the bracket there. Once that's all bolted up, the bars actually just bolt into the bracket here. So there's a bolt that just goes straight through the top of the bracket, and you just use the nut and washer and everything else to bolt the bars on. It's the same on the other side, so as you can see, just a normal bolt in there, and then on the other side of this bracket, you've got the two bolts into the sill. And again on the rear here, one bolt into the chassis and two bolts on the front of the bracket into the sill, and bolted onto the bars just there with the bolt provided in the kit. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you do have any questions about the fitting on these items, we are available on the phones. You can drop us an email, or we've got this fitting video. So that's it. Thank you very, very much for watching Direct 4x4.